Alright, so now that our models are all dry, again, we're gonna go ahead and make whitening trays. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab some sealant. Again, Grandioso seal or whatever type of sealant material we have. We're gonna need a light. And all we're gonna do, we're gonna go from the second premolar all the way to the second premolar on the other side. And all we're gonna do, we're just gonna put a light coat on top of the tooth. That looks like a bubble type of thing. And all these things, and all the reason we do this is because that way, whenever we're making the trays, the whitening material is gonna stay in here. Again, I'm gonna light this up. You light it for 10 seconds. I usually like to do two teeth at a time, and so that's it. Again, it's gonna look like this. Okay, it's gonna look like that right there. Again, you're gonna go all the way around until the second premolar. Now, once I'm done, it's gonna look like this, like I already did at the bottom. From second premolar all the way down to the other second premolar. All right. So now, this impression is ready to be. I'm ready to make a bleaching tray with this. Now we're gonna put the model at the bottom. Actually, we're gonna do the tray. Now, these are our bleaching trays, plastic. This is the plastic that we use for the bleaching tray. So we're gonna grab one out of here. They're gonna look like this. We're gonna open this up, put it underneath here. We're going to close this up. Now, I'm going to take this out of here. Now, there's a switch right here. One is for once you see the light turn on, that means the heater is on. So, we need to make sure that the heater, we need to let the heater just heat up. So, we're going to put it to the side. Now, the plastic is right here. So, we're going to bring this up. You untwist it, one of these things on the side, and you bring it up, and then you twist it back up. Okay, so now the heater should be going on right now. Try to make sure that there's no cables or anything underneath the heater while it's heating up. It usually takes about 30 seconds for it to heat up. Again, we have our timer over here. We're gonna leave the heater on top of the plastic for about 2 minutes. Okay, sometimes it takes a little longer, sometimes a little less. So just bear with me here. Now, once it heats up, it's going to take about 2 minutes. Again, we put our model is going to be right underneath here. Again, this switch if you turn it to the left, the light's going to come on, the heater's going to be on. Now, there's a neutral, and then there's this. Once you turn it to the right, there's going to be the vacuum. So again, I'll show you how to use the vacuum in just a minute. All right. Alright, 30 seconds, that should be it. We'll bring it back up. We're going to start our timer. Again, we're going to put it on the side right there. Now, our next step is going to be once the 2 minutes are up, our next step is to untighten this side, bring it down, and turn the vacuum up. Again, we untighten this up, we bring the whole system down with the plastic, and we're going to turn this on, which is the vacuum. So, you know what, I think a minute should be fine. Alright, we're going to bring this down. Bring it down. Alright, now we take this out of here. We take the plastic with the motor out of here. Just be careful because it's going to be a little warm. So once you take it out of here, the plastic needs to mold to the model. So we're going to put it in the fridge right here. Anywhere in the fridge is fine. Alright, and after that, we're going to take that out and I'm going to show you how to cut it. And that should be it for the whitening trays.